had a name for it. International. I wasn't even supposed to be here. Charlotte was the plan. But Jamaica made more sense. $140 a month, that told me everything I needed to know. I felt free for the first time. The next day, we went shopping. This wasn't just a move, it was a whole new world. We had to furnish the apartment and make it a home. That's when I linked with Themio Rich. In New York, everything was controlled. Out here, it was alive. You could step outside and breathe. The beat plays, the artist writes, then records. Same process, different spirit. I started noticing something. No matter where I went, they saw me one way, as a recording engineer and not a producer. I introduced myself as an engineer, and that was the mistake. In this industry, they put you in the box and leave you there.
Chant a psalm, skip Eden away. Cause this a youth and I have time to play. Every morning me wake up, me pray. Chant a psalm, skip Eden away. What a day when just say come, come. All the wicked have to put down them gun. Crack and coke, coffee go down. Sodom and Gomorrah go get
I heard it, and I knew they were right. New York hip-hop wasn't melodic. I had to make some adjustments. We were having a son. February 7th, my son Azim was born. We loved each other, but we saw the world differently. Culture, expectations, his future. So we separated. He ended up staying with me. I tried to do both, music and fatherhood, but I couldn't. I couldn't do both, sessions and diapers. So I stepped away, and that's when I started something new. Every day I practiced chords, progressions, muscle memory. Prince Charles, Bruce Lee, they both did the same thing. They practiced every day. When I came back, I was different. Rebranded. Reinvented. I didn't come back as an engineer. I came back as a producer. I played the beat. They started writing immediately. 4 artists, 1 beat, 2 hours.
A rifleman, a boss, the one we make panic stand. You know, and me say wanna strength me and me wanna done. Then, big up, big East, Gully Bank and Russia, yeah. And make me tell you this, you will never see the ways of a girl in a man.
So don't you play with me.
Bad man.
Stay with me. Book it and kill my free. So don't you play with me.
Some member have vex them, vex human rather than them. Them know me as spooky, but me real name a shame. So if you want a war, pussy, bring it on then. We bad from long time, go and go ask spider them. Bad from the road, right up to the stem. Say another load,
That's when I heard it.
Some boy lame,
They
you
called
fuck them,
it
now said no chain. I wanna strike this down, look where you are been. No play with bad man.
Book it and kill my free.
And that's when I knew I could do this anywhere.
Tell mama don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Tell mama don't worry, things soon be alright. When me bingo and you a get alright. Don't worry, even though I'm feed up, I gotta keep my head up. I'll never give up. Tell mama don't worry.